Today we'll talk about how can you find search history on your Qanda app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here. When you just click here on money, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on my page here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on recent searches, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all search history you have. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.